What if the best pistol in 2026 isn't the one you're expecting? After testing the latest handguns, I found the top 10 pistols in 2026. In factory trigger quality, optics integration, ergonomics, and modular design, these pistols stand above the rest. Let's get started. Number 10. Ruger RXM. Here is something the market did not expect from Ruger, a legitimate Glock-compatible modular pistol, built from the ground up with Magpul at $499 MSRP, that runs Glock Gen 3 magazines, accepts Glock barrels and slides, and mounts optics without adapter plates. The RXM is not trying to beat the Glock 19. It is trying to be the Glock 19 at a lower price with ergonomics the original grip cannot match. The 4-inch alloy steel barrel runs FNC knit ride finish, rated for Plus P, and the optics system uses a multi-footprint pin set covering RMR, Delta Point Pro, and Shield RMSC without touching your wallet for plates. The serialized stainless steel fire control insert lifts out of the Magpul enhanced handgun grip in seconds. P320 style modularity at Glock prices. That grip changes the equation. A 1911-esque angle, undercut trigger guard, reshaped beaver tail, and Magpul teaspoon texture that stays locked in wet conditions. Capacity sits at 15+1 on Gen 19 pattern magazines you likely already own. Street price currently runs $430 to $480, which undercuts the Glock 19 MOS by $100 to $170 while delivering a better grip and fully integrated optics readiness. The honest weakness is time. This platform launched in late 2024, reliable after 800 rounds in early testing, but zero long-term torture test data exists yet. Ruger builds good guns. Whether this becomes a great one is a question 3 more years will answer. What is sitting at number 9 has 30 years of that answer already written. Number 9. HK VP9. Heckler & Koch does not build guns to impress anyone on a forum. They build them to be shot hard, maintained seldom, and trusted completely. And the VP9 delivers every one of those promises across a platform that has accumulated one of the most consistent long-term reliability records of any striker-fied design on the market. The 4.09-inch barrel runs 9mm with 17+1 capacity, and the Gen 2 models ship optics ready from the factory with a slide cut that holds a dot without the adapter plate stress that plagues MOS-style systems. Weight runs 25.6 ounces empty. Every shooter who has put serious round counts through this gun notes the same thing about the recoil cycle. Smooth, controlled, and slightly more muted than comparably sized competitors. The trigger is genuinely good. Not competition good, but clean, predictable, and noticeably better than anything Glock has shipped from the factory as a standard configuration. HK includes 2 interchangeable backstraps, and the ambidextrous controls work properly rather than as an afterthought bolted on for the catalog photo. Street price runs $749 to $799 depending on configuration. The criticism is fair and honest. This platform has not fundamentally evolved in a decade, and the aftermarket ecosystem is thin compared to every other name on this list. German engineering you can bank your life on. Innovation you will have to look elsewhere for. Number 8 belongs to a gun built specifically for duty wear, and the spec sheet shows it from the first line. Number 8. FN 509 Tactical. FN Hostal supplies weapons to militaries and federal agencies that most manufacturers never get invited to pitch. When they engineer a pistol, it is built to work when the user's life depends on it. Not when conditions are perfect, but when conditions are brutal. The 509 Tactical is that pistol. Cold hammer-forged 4.5-inch barrel, threaded from the factory with a thread protector included, suppressor height sight standard. Not an upgrade, not an option, standard. The FN low-profile optics mounting system delivers a direct red dot mount with co-witness iron sights. Fully ambidextrous controls. Capacity is 17+1, with a 24-round extended magazine shipped in the box. The trigger runs a hinged blade system, the most consistent complaint on this platform. And it is legitimate, but functionally it is clean and reliable across even the largest round counts FN could throw at it during development, which exceeded 1 million rounds. At around $900 street, you are paying FN's professional-grade manufacturing standards and cold hammer forging precision. Comparable premium duty pistols from other houses run $100 to $200 more and do not always deliver more performance. For duty and suppressor use, this platform earns everything it costs. Number 7 is where this list gets genuinely uncomfortable for a very large group of people. Number 7. Glock 19 Gen 5. Here it is, the most recognized handgun in modern history, and it lands at number 7. Not because it has gotten worse, it has not. The Gen 5 is the best Glock 19 ever produced. The Glock Marksman barrel improved accuracy measurably. The NDLC finish is harder and more corrosion resistant than any prior generation. The The finger groove-free grip finally fits most hand sizes, and the MOS system brings factory red dot capability to a platform that spent years requiring custom slide milling to achieve that same result. 4-inch barrel, 15+1, 23.63 ounces empty, ambidextrous slide stop, reversible magazine catch. The trigger averages around 5.5 pounds. The MOS adapter plates have drawn documented criticism for screw stress under sustained recoil. An aftermarket plate solution from companies like CHBWS and Forward Control Designs exists specifically to address that. The Glock 19 lands at 7 for one reason. Every other pistol above it on this list ships better factory features, a better trigger, more capacity, or superior ergonomics. At $679 MSRP, the Glock ecosystem, the training familiarity, and the 35-year reliability record are irreplaceable. But buying a Glock 19 as the best option in 2026 requires you to ignore what the competition is now shipping from the factory. I will say it plainly. At this price and this feature set, the Glock 19 is no longer the best choice. Disagree in the comments. I will be reading everyone. Number 6 makes the case better than I can. Number 6. Smith & Wesson M&P 9M 2.0. This is the gun a significant part of this audience specifically asked to see on the list, and it earns its place. The S&W M&P 2.0 Compact Carry Comp from the Performance Center is a carry pistol with a factory compensator that actually delivers on its promise. The 4.22-inch stainless steel powerport barrel vents gas straight up at the muzzle. The clear sight cut routes residue away from your optic, and the net result is a platform that shoots measurably flatter and fast strings of fire than a standard barrel and slide combination. Capacity is 15+1. The flat face trigger is performance center tuned, cleaner break, and faster reset than a standard M&P 2.0 production model, which already had one of the better striker-fied triggers available at this price point. Overall length is 7.25 inches, weight is 25.4 ounces, polymer frame with 4 interchangeable palm swell insert that actually accommodate hand size rather than forcing the shooter to adapt to the gun. MSRP runs $799. The S&W name brings American manufacturing, a deep and mature aftermarket, and a service record this company has been building since before most of these other brands existed. It ranks at 6 because the platforms above it simply bring more per dollar. Number 5 does something no other carry pistol on the market has solved as cleanly. Number 5, SIG Sauer P365 XMacro. Here is the counterintuitive one, and this is where guns and geeks part ways with most carry gun rankings. The P365 XMacro is shorter than a Glock 19 in every dimension that matters for concealment, and it ships with a flush-fit 17+1 magazine. Full-size handgun capacity in a package that disappears under a t-shirt. SIG accomplished this without going wider. The frame runs 1 inch thick, which is thinner than a Glock 19 by 0.32 inches. The 3.7-inch barrel runs inside a longer slide on the standard XMacro, and the comp variant adds an integrated compensator that reduces muzzle flip in a package still smaller than most compact pistols. XOI 3-day and night sights are standard. The optics cut is integrated. Here is the counterintuitive one, and this is where guns and geeks part ways with most carry gun rankings. The P365 XMacro is shorter than a Glock 19 in every dimension that matters for concealment, and it ships with a flush-fit 17+1 magazine. Full-size handgun capacity in a package that disappears under a t-shirt. SIG accomplished this without going wider. The frame runs 1 inch thick, which is thinner than a Glock 19 by 0.32 inches. The 3.7-inch barrel runs inside a longer slide on the standard XMacro, and the comp variant adds an integrated compensator that reduces muzzle flip in a package still smaller than most compact pistols. XOI 3-day and night sights are standard. The optics cut is integrated. The grip accepts interchangeable backstraps, and the entire platform is rated for +P defensive ammunition. Average new price runs $769. For a carry gun, specifically, the one pistol a man carries every single day. Nothing else on this list puts 17 rounds of 9mm into this small an envelope at this price. The honest trade-off is real. The shorter barrel sacrifices muzzle velocity compared to the full-size guns elsewhere on this list, and the trigger is good without being exceptional by current 2026 standards. This is not a duty platform. It is built for the gun that goes on the body every morning, regardless of what the day looks like. At that specific mission, it is the best answer available at this price. Number 4 carries the finest factory trigger shift on any striker-fired pistol at any price in 2026. Number 4, Walther PDP Pro. The Walther PDP won the NRA Handgun of the Year award in 2022. Not because of marketing or a sponsored review cycle, because men who shoot for a living put it against every striker-fired platform at that price point and could not find a better factory trigger. That is still the starting point for this platform in 2026, and nothing has changed. From the factory, the Walther Dynamic Performance trigger breaks clean, resets short, and does not require $150 in aftermarket components to feel like a professional-grade tool. I know a man who carried a Glock for 20 years, fired one magazine through a PDP at a range day 3 seasons ago, and had a replacement in hand inside 2 weeks. He has not gone back. The full-size PDP runs a 4.5-inch barrel, holds 18+1, weighs 24.6 ounces, and ships optics ready with a 2.0 slide cut that uses integrated recoil lugs to hold a dot stable under sustained fire. The design gap that the earlier PDP 1.0 optics cut left open, now corrected. Street price runs $699 to $799 depending on configuration. The real specs with zero fluff. The trigger on this gun benchmarks at 5.5 pounds with a pull quality that does not feel like 5.5 pounds. The criticism is honest. Aggressive texture has drawn complaints from daily carriers, and the aftermarket is narrower than what Glock or S&W offer. If your benchmark for a factory strikified trigger is still a Glock, this will reset your reference point permanently. Number 3 is where a Turkish-American collaboration produces something nobody expected to exist at under $1,000. Number 3. Canik TTI Combat. Taran Butler has built custom guns at $5,000 to $10,000 for the people who can afford them. This is what happened when he sat down with Canik and asked a dangerous question. Can we build a championship-winning race gun for under $1,000? The TTI Combat ships with a 4.6-inch ported and spiral-fluted barrel paired with a proprietary quick-release compensator that reduces muzzle flip without the gas blast and carbon debris of older ported designs. The flat-face trigger breaks at 90 degrees with minimal overtravel and a reset so short and tactile it resets how you think about striker-fire precision. A 3-pound, 8-ounce pull that feels like a competition gun because it is one. Capacity is 18+1 with a flush TTI base pad and 21 rounds with the included +3 extension. 2 recoil spring assembly ship in the case. 1 standard, 1 low power for softer competition loads, so the platform is tunable before it leaves the box. 3 optic mounting plates included. Custom holster, hard travel case, cleaning kit, low power recoil assembly, and a collector's coin for the collaboration. All of this at $950 MSRP. At 1,500 foot-pounds of energy, gunpowder is starting to have a real identity crisis, though the TTI Combat is burning it, just more intelligently than most. The trade-off is carry practicality. Tight tolerances and the compensator require ammunition tuning for absolute reliability, and the aggressive stippling is not forgiving against skin without an undershirt. This is a competition and training gun built for performance, not concealment. Number 2 has been winning actual IPSC World Championships on the international stage. Real data, real podiums. Number 2, CZ Shadow 2 Compact. The CZ Shadow 2 has won more IPSC World Championship titles than any other production pistol in the modern competitive shooting era. This is not brand loyalty. This is verified result data from the most demanding stages on the planet, shot by professionals who cannot afford to lose because a production pistol failed them. The Compact takes that proven platform and brings it into a 4-inch cold hammer forged barrel, aluminum alloy frame at 30 ounces. The CZ Shadow 2 has won more IPSC World Championship titles than any other production pistol in the modern competitive shooting era. This is not brand loyalty. This is verified result data from the most demanding stages on the planet, shot by professionals who cannot afford to lose because a production pistol failed them. The Compact takes that proven platform and brings it into a 4-inch cold hammer forged barrel, aluminum alloy frame at 30 ounces, and a DAOSA trigger system that is, by any objective measure, the finest double-action trigger shipped on a production pistol in 2026. The fiber optic front sight and serrated Heijo rear deliver a sight picture designed for competition speed transitions, and the slide is optics ready right from the factory. Capacity runs 15+1, slightly lower than most of this list, which is a legitimate note. At 30 ounces, the metal frame absorbs recoil in a way polymer cannot replicate, and fast strings of fire on the Shadow 2 Compact shoot so flat that comparisons to strikified platforms feel almost unfair. MSRP is $1,299. That is not cheap, and anyone who tells you otherwise is selling something. But no production pistol at any price ships with this trigger system and this competitive pedigree straight from CZ's factory in Brod. The honest limitation is the Manual of Arms. DAOSA demands deliberate training and a specific carry protocol that not every shooter will commit to. The gun at number 1 does everything this one does for carry and duty, ships with more factory features, and costs $620 less. That is the conversation that is reshaping this market right now. Number 1. Springfield Echelon 4.5F. The Springfield Echelon is the most intelligently engineered production pistol of the last decade. Not the flashiest, not the most decorated, the most intelligent, and the specs back that without apology. At an MSRP of $679, frequently available on street for $619, this pistol ships with a variable interface system that mounts over 30 different optics directly to the slide using removable locator pins, with no adapter plate, no stack height penalty, no screw stress under recoil. You are not buying a pistol. You are buying a platform that changes when you change. The 4.5-inch hammerforged barrel runs melanite finish for corrosion resistance that outlasts most field conditions. The gun ships with a 17-round flush magazine and a 20-round extended. That 20-round capacity in a full-size duty pistol. With this optic system, at $679, against a Glock 19 MOS that ships at $679 with a plate-based mounting system in 15+1. The comparison is not close. Low bore axis, adaptive grip texture that locks the firing hand without abrasion, ambidextrous controls, tritium U-dot sights for interchangeable backstraps. This gun answers the question that was planted at the start of this list. Which pistol does everything the old king does, ships with more, and costs the same? The Echelon. By a margin the Glock faithful are going to spend the next 12 months arguing about in the comments, and I welcome every one of those arguments. The question was never whether Glock is a bad gun. 3 to 5 years of verified performance says it is not. The question is whether the market has delivered something better, and in 2026, for most shooters in most roles, it has. The Echelon proved it at the carry and duty tier. The CZ proved it at the competition tier. The Canik proved it at the performance per dollar tier. Which one on this list changes your thinking about your current setup? Drop your pick and your reasoning in the comments, and make sure to hit that subscribe button on Guns and Geeks. Every week, real specs, real gear, zero fluff.